Trucker shower. Turn on the water, let it warm up. Cheap plastic curtain though, but hey. So guys, I am ready to go in the shower. I totally locked myself out of the car. This is the second time this happened to me. Guys, I have to show you this. There's a spider. Look, he lives in my rear view mirror. There he is. Look, he's going back in there. You see him? How do I get him out? Ah. Ah. Out. Get out. Out. Guys, sorry to start off the video with this. I am here in Vermillion in Ohio. And I parked up at this rest stop where I spent the night last night. It's the Vermilion Welcome Center. And guess what? I found out they have a free shower inside. So we're gonna go in and take a look at the place and see if I could shower for free here. Guys, it's so beautiful in Vermilion. Like you saw Aries, we were at Aries, the park, in the last video. And there's so much to discover here. Like, this is just a gorgeous area. Like, I would move here in a heartbeat. So outside, once I open the door, it is so loud here because it's right next to the freeway. And last night was okay, you know, it was kind of loud. But in the morning time, like the truckers, they start coming back and forth. They start going back and forth, and it gets very loud here early. And yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna spend another night here tonight because it was way too loud. It started at 4 a.m. and I was up by then because it got loud. Okay, let me show you outside. Yeah, and that's why it's very loud because we're right off the freeway, guys. All right, so let's grab our shower bag and try to see if we could take a shower for free. Free hot shower. So we're going inside, guys. Free public Wi-Fi. Oh wow, you can even do your laundry here, guys. $3. That's a dryer. And this is the laundry. So it will cost you $6 to do one load, $3 to dry and $3 to wash. And guys, check this out. Trucker shower. Wow. It is really clean in here and it's free. Wow, this is the shower, guys. Check this out. Let's check out the pressure. This is the toilet. It's all clean. You got paper towel. And I found this in here. What is this? Extra body wash and paper towel. These are my stuff. And yeah, a door you lock for privacy. Guys, this is way better than Planet Fitness shower. Like, it's so private. Like, man, I got my own private bathroom. And clean. Smell good as well. Can't beat this, and it's free. I never seen anything like this. Turn on the water, let it warm up. Cheap plastic curtain though, but hey. Alright, and flip-flops, guys. I'm wearing my flip-flops. Yeah, the water is warming up. I forgot to bring a clean change of clothes with me. I forgot that. So we're gonna have to come back. I hate when that happens. Guys, I will see you soon, right after my shower. I took a long, beautiful shower, man. And it's no time limit on the shower. I've been there for 20 minutes. The only problem is I have to put the dirty clothes back on, head to the car, and then grab me some clean clothes. Yeah. All right, let's do that. So guess what, guys? I totally locked myself out of the car. I crawled in from the back earlier and left my purse inside, and then I closed the trunk. And yep, I have to call AAA to rescue me. The second time this happened. This is the second time this happened to me. Yeah, like going through the back and forget that if I don't press the key to unlock. I know. This is the second time it happened. Let me get the keys. From the passenger. From the driver's side.
I hit the, I pulled the lever, it's not.
Let me try, let me get the keys from the back. Oh, God. There it is. Got it. Oh, jeez. Oh my. I got the keys. I'm in. So, okay. Jeez. My. All right. I'm back. Guys, if you pass in this area, you gotta stop and take a shower because it's free, private, and clean. So yeah, definitely it's worth a stop and take a free shower. All right, so now I'm just sitting here in the car thinking, what next? What's my next move? Let's see what we could find in Vermillion. Okay, let's try to find a hidden gem around here in Vermillion. I know there's a marble lighthouse that I was trying to see yesterday, but they're closed. They have a construction going on and they closed it off. I'm not sure if I should go over there today because it might be a waste of time going back, but I really want to see it. Let's try. I think we should try to do something else. Yeah, let's try to do something else. But yeah, let me do some research. I'll see you soon. My seat is still messed up, guys. I don't know, like, yeah, I know. It's been messed up for going on 2 years now. I need to get some gas first. I'm at half a tank and I don't let my tank go under half. Like, I always make sure to top it up when it's at half. I mean, that's my OCD. I'm gonna put like $25 in there. So I am at the Vermilion River, guys. Just strolling along. Oh wait, here's a path right here. Yeah, this river looks like it would be for kayakers. Like, yeah, that's all I have to say about it. But let's look around some more. I'm not familiar with it. I just look it up in Google, like what's in the area to do. So this popped up. I really want to see the Marble Lighthouse, but like I said, they have construction going on and we can't get through. So yeah, so let's deal with this. It's a beautiful park, nice river on a beautiful day. I mean, what else can I ask for? I think this is the highlight of the river right here. It's gorgeous, but you know, it's gorgeous for a like a family outing, picnic, you know, a little neighborhood park. Well, it's not a little neighborhood park, it's huge, but for family picnics and stuff, you know, good getaway for the weekend, just to relax in nature. It is quite nice. Quite nice to just hang out and just, you know, and relax. This is it for the Vermilion River, guys. We did the whole walk. It takes me about 10 minutes. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it doesn't wow me, but you know, because I'm an adventurer. But it's cute, nice river, nice, you know, for family day out and stuff, for small children. I'm heading back to my car, but I'm taking the shortcut going this way. My car is over there. Guys, I made it to this little hole-in-the-wall restaurant where all the locals hang out here. Did I say that this place is gorgeous? I would move here in a heartbeat. Yeah, so it's like everyone know each other here. So once I pulled in, they're all looking at me because it's like, who is that? That's a new person. So that's the kind of restaurant this is. A little hole-in-the-wall neighborhood restaurant. So I'm gonna take my cell phone, but not my GoPro in there, and do a little snippet of the food and the atmosphere, because it gets a 5-star or over 4 stars. He got a high review. Let's say it got a high review and Google that the atmosphere is very friendly. So let's go in and hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great.
This tree in its name is a Virginia aluminium word.
So guys, this is the news right now. I have to change my outfit because it got so cold. And I met this lady, nice lady right here. Her name is Tana. She said her name is Tana, and she said that's how it is here. Like, you know, it gets cold and warm in one area. It depends on where the wind blows. And these people are like so nice. When I tell you, so nice. So Tanya and I is gonna walk down the street later to another spot that she's recommended. Yeah. So I got me some chicken wings and a glass of beer. for right now. The chicken wings are not here yet, but very soon. I even changed my shorts into a pants. Thank you so much. You're welcome. French fries.
Spring outfit's so good. My family was on time for
So I came here for the atmosphere. So I got the buffalo wings. Oh. And this is the end of the pier. Go. Let's go. It's way too cold. Breadstick. And salted. Guys, last night was so fun with my new friends at that spot that where I went to. We played pool. We were just hanging out and chatting until 12 in the morning, and it was just nice. It was just a breath of fresh air, and I really enjoyed myself last night. I needed that time to meet and hang out with people and not just staying in the SUV all the time. And that's exactly what I did. Start raining, so I'm just hurrying up and make myself and warm up the milk to make my hot chocolate. That's what I hate about it. So if you don't know what I'm doing, I am just putting up bubble wrap on my sunroof, because if I leave it like that on a cold day, the sunroof gets so cold on top of my head that will get me sick. So I'm trying to prevent that, because I don't want to come down with pneumonia or anything like that. And I got this idea from one of my subscribers. I have a full video, guys. Like, if you haven't seen the full video, I think you should watch it. I will link the full video in this video, so you can go ahead and watch it as well. And this thing works like magic. And again, thank you again, girly, for putting me on to this. Because this is what's saving me a lot of nights right now. See, my head is already warm. It's just madness how this works.
I'm just sorting all my gear out. I've got a bolt here, right here, and a bolt up here, which I'm going to use to hang my hammock up later. And I will literally be right here staring at that view, laying in my hammock sleeping. So not quiet here.
Good morning, everyone. Guys, last night was so cold. So my sleeping bag and this warm blanket was an absolute savior last night, man. So what I did was I turn it on for about and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes, and it warms up my sleeping bag really well. And I have to do that 2 or 3 times for the night, because I don't want to leave the sleeping blanket on and then, it gets too warm while I'm sleeping and, my blood is cooking. So, yeah, and that is not safe. So I just keep, waking up when it's get really cold and turn it back on. That's it. And, yeah, I had one of the best sleep last night. Really good sleep. Yeah, my watch is saying I slept for 7.5 hours, which is pretty decent, pretty good. It's now almost 9 a.m. Yeah, I think there was 2 other RVs here last night. I think they left. They already left, because I was peeking through the window. One was right there, and they're gone. So I am about to get ready and leave as well, because we don't want to overstay our welcome here in Cracker Barrel parking lot. And these bubble wraps, really a lifesaver. Like, man, I take them down when they're falling off and then put them back up later if it's cold. But if the weather is not so cold, I don't put them up. But, it's kind of like iffy, like the weather is cold and warm here. And, yeah, that's how it is. I left the area location yesterday. And I came to Cleveland, where, that's the city. It's only an hour away from Erie. So people in the Erie area and the Vermillion area, they come down here to Cleveland to work. It's only an hour drive, so about that. And, that's, living in the suburb. That's what most people do. They drove to the city for their job and live in the suburb. And yeah, because it's cheaper, it's more quieter and more beautiful. And if I'm working, I would do the same. I don't mind driving an hour to work back and forth. So I'm a 2 hours commute every day for work, 5 days a week. Tidying up. Like I said, I'm learning to make my bed from the inside, because I can't be stepping outside in the city in Cracker Barrel parking lot and try to make this bed and then blow our cover, because we want to always be welcome here. I mean, Cracker Barrel already know we're sleeping here, but one thing is to sleep here, next thing to go outside and crack my, and expose my bed. That would be a different story. The sun is coming in. Yeah. I'm gonna just have a banana to eat in any breakfast this morning, guys. I'm just not hungry right now. I'll cook later, but not right. And then I'm trying to get out of Cracker Barrel parking lot because I've been here since I drove in here at 4 p.m. yesterday, and I'm still here. Looks like today's gonna be a warm day. I can feel it already. Yesterday was no joke. Yesterday was cold all day long, all day. It was just blurry and cold. I'm putting my bubble wraps as well in here. Yeah, because that's part of my, my everyday living right now. My bubble wraps became a big part of my everyday living. By the way, this hat is new. It's my bunny rabbit hat. I pick it up at the thrift shop. I'm all into hats with little cute ears. I think it's a cat or a bunny rabbit. You tell me. I'm trying to figure it out. Meow. I think. Oh, one of the RVs is still here, guys. See it? I thought all the RVs already gone, but there's still one guy here. Yeah, I thought he was gonna run his generator all night. At one point his generator was on, but then they turned it off. Guys, I really don't know where to go from here, I swear. Oh my God. I'm having the hardest time getting over here today. I must probably put on some weight or something. Oh no, I used to be skinny and just flip back here. But now I'm still 125 pounds, I believe. Haven't checked that. I don't think I gained weight or anything. But I'm out of breath. I'm just putting on my shoes. I always leave my shoes under here. Yeah, I really don't know what to go from here. Oh, the RV's still here. I thought they left. You guys, I stop at the gas station and get me a hard cup of coffee. I don't really drink coffee like that anymore, but you know, today I need it. It is
turn
still
right
cold.
toward Detroit Road, then immediately turn right onto Detroit Road.
My GPS. Yeah, so what I'm doing, I'm actually
turn right onto Detroit Road.
Oh, yeah, I'm heading to the library. Yeah, I really don't want to make my way to Alaska right now because it is cold. I'm waiting until it warms up. It is actually 40 degrees. So it's still chilly. Yeah, I have to go back to Buffalo in about, I think, Wednesday or so. Let's do this, guys. Let's head to the library and and call it a day from there, and then do some research. All right, guys, we are at the library. So, okay, guys, I am at the library. I'm just gonna go in and warmed up a little bit. I mean, warmed up my blood. My blood feel cold. And yeah, I cannot speak in there. So, guys, I am going to say, guys, thank you guys for watching the Raw and Real Nomadic channel. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
I've been here a lot of times, yes.
Please like and subscribe to the channel for more great videos. Thank you.